I am Darlene Holstein, General Manager of the Bay Centre here in downtown Victoria, BC. We are all about the experience in shopping centres these days to drive traffic to our shopping centre and to enhance the experience of our customers overall. And over the years we've trialed different things, but in the last 2 years we've been working with Limbic Media, who's brought a lot of technology to our property and enhanced many of our installments that our marketing team have put together, such as the tree behind us for the Festival of the Trees. It's the second year that we've partnered with them and it has been exceptional. We also have an amazing center court display that they're working on this year that's going to drive additional traffic and enhance the experience overall. Limbic Media has been fantastic to work with. They've added in multiple dimensions in some of our displays, and we really look forward to working with them further.